everyone, Amanda here from Scrimpingmommy.co.uk, and I'm here today to announce the launch of my June Stampin' Selections kits. You can order these from today, and the deadline for ordering and payment is the 4th of June. I've brought my schedule a little bit closer to the beginning of the month to make sure that these kits are sent out a little bit earlier to make it more timely and more organised. So it's a beautiful kit. I can't show you all of the products in the kit because we can't order them until the 4th of June. Okay, so hence I've just got the beautiful papers here, but I have got a blog post up today. I'll leave a link in the description box below, and that blog post will list everything, all the details. It will list everything that's in the kit, item by item. There are 13 items altogether, and I'll quickly read out what the items are. So you're going to get half a pack of this beautiful Magnolia Lane DSP. You're going to get a share of the Magnolia Lane cards and envelopes, the Memories and More cards. You're going to get the Magnolia Lane ribbon and the Mossy Meadow linen thread. You're going to get a share of the beautiful cork embellishments, and I've also put together some card packs, some coloured card packs, because in the new catalogue there aren't any coordinating card packs any longer to go with the DSP. Stampin' Up! No longer doing those, and so I've put some card colours together myself, and all of the colours coordinate with what is in the DSP. So you're going to get some of the Crumb Cake cardstock, Petal Pink. You're going to get some Mossy Meadow, which is this lovely green that you can see here. You're going to get some basic black, some thick whisper white, and you're going to get some vellum. So in total that's 13 product items. Along with that you do get a PDF sheet of inspiration, and you do get free postage and packing, and I also put handmade thank you cards, a sweet treat, and a customer loyalty voucher in there. You also do get access, if you would like access, to my private Facebook group, which is for my Stampin' Selection customers only. Now, what is the benefit of these kits? Let me tell you, there is an option in the new catalogue to buy the whole suite under one product code. It's awesome, so that everything coordinates and you're getting full packs of everything, but that price is £125.50. Now that does include the stamp and the dies, but even so, if you remove those, that means that the suite will be costing you £65.75. My kits, and plus postage of £4.95. My kits are £22 including postage. You get a smaller amount of everything, you don't get full packs, but it's a budget friendly way of getting a little bit of everything from that suite. Now these are available for customers, they're available for demonstrators, so this is an awesome way for demonstrators to get a little bit of everything, to be able to demonstrate and share without having to pay out full whack for things. Okay, now you can upgrade your kit if you like and add on the stamp set, okay, which is £33 for the double box stamp set, or what you can do is you can add the bundle, which is the stamp set and the thinlets, okay, and that price for those is £59.25. Now if you add that bundle at £59.25 to your kit, I will reduce your kit by £5. I will give you a reduction on the kit. I can't reduce the stamp and the die bundle because that's not really strictly allowed, but I can knock you £5 off the price of the kit, okay? I will leave all of the details of this over on my blog so you can read it over and decide which is the best for you. Alright, so the other great thing about this is because you're just getting a little bit, you're getting a taster, and then perhaps you could go back at a later date and buy the things that are your favourite. It takes up less space for storage in your craft room. You know, if you have to buy full packs of everything, it's going to take up more room. These are nice and compact, and you're just getting a little bit of everything. Alright, I put them together very carefully. You're getting lots of cardstock, you're getting ready-made cards, so that you can create an awful lot of projects from these kits, and they are just £22, and that includes the postage. Okay, and UK small parcel postage is £2.90, so you're getting that in with the price of the kit. It's an awesome deal. So there you go. So if you'd like to order one of these, please let me know as soon as possible. The deadline for ordering and payment is very strictly the 4th of June, so that I can order all the amounts of things that I need and get them out. If you're one of my regular customers and you've already asked for one, you don't need to ask again. I've got your name on my list. So if you would like to take advantage of this budget-friendly way of getting a little bit of everything from the beautiful upcoming Magnolia Lane suite, you can message me on Facebook, you can leave a comment below this video, or you can email me at amandacharlesworth08@gmail.com. All of my details, if you go down there and click show more, that is what we call the description box. So if you go down there, all of my details are there. Make sure you do click like and subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you get notifications every time I upload. So thanks for joining me. If you fancy one of these kits, do let me know as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.